Welcome to Rhaegroup's newest listing at 6660 West 54th Avenue in Arvada. Connor.
Oh, sorry, I was just enjoying the spacious, quiet front porch that this property has to offer. Just blocks away from Olde Town, you're about a 20-minute walk to the G-Line train, which takes you to Union Station, Denver, in 15 minutes. This property is truly perfect for the work-life balance that your life demands. Inside this property, you will find tons of gorgeous, updated custom finishes throughout that are truly one of a kind. This is not a property you want to miss. Let's take a look. Upon entry, the first thing you're going to notice is this beautiful exposed beam that covers the entire living area. It really opens up the space and creates an awesome feel in this open area. It's got these generous ceilings, tons of space to entertain, throw parties, whatever you like to do. It's got this cool eating area with this beautiful fixture. I love this woven look that it has. It's got this beautiful barnwood accent wall, which really ties everything in and adds a pop of color into the space. This kitchen was done just a few years ago, and you can really tell it's got these awesome white countertops, this super unique, cool, rustic feeling, brick flooring, all these cabinets. Of course, they're soft close. Got the matte black hardware, which everybody loves these days. It's got this black stainless steel gas range with an overhood ventilation. I mean, it's truly an awesome kitchen, not just to look at, but it's also extremely functional. You've also got this huge 7-foot deep walk-in pantry. Not only can you use that as a pantry, it also has the connectors for a washer and dryer if you decide to make this a laundry room.
The primary suite has its own floor. This is the primary bedroom. 2 big windows with lots of natural light. This is a king-size bed, so plenty of room in here. Come and look at this, the amazing master closet. This is basically its own room. Custom shelving, 2 big windows in here as well, so lots of natural light. Plus, what is attached to it is your master bath. Double vanities with a big walk-in shower.
Let's head upstairs. So as we make our way up here, the first thing you'll notice is that there's 2 bedrooms. They're both standard size. They've got awesome closet space, tons of windows. This is really gonna be an awesome area for your family or even a guest bedroom. The upstairs also has its own full bathroom with a brand new 6-foot privacy fence and this gorgeous, huge stamped concrete patio. All this needs is a grill, some lawn chairs, and some friends, and I'd be staying here.
Thank you so much for taking time to view the house with us today.
If you would like any more information or would like to see this property, please feel free to reach out.